In this video, you'll learn effective strategies to avoid shipping fees on eBay. By following these steps, you will be able to optimize your shipping process and reduce costs significantly. Begin by carefully reviewing eBay's shipping fee policies. Understanding these policies is crucial to making informed decisions about your shipping options. Take note of the various fees associated with different carriers and the services they provide. This information will help you compare rates effectively before purchasing labels. Next, consider using your own negotiated carrier rates when available. Many shipping carriers offer discounts to businesses that ship regularly. By utilizing these rates, you can save money compared to standard eBay shipping rates. Additionally, be sure to select economical shipping options that fit your budget while still providing reliable service. After that, opt for calculated shipping instead of a flat rate approach. This method allows you to charge buyers based on the actual shipping cost rather than a fixed amount. Be cautious to avoid underestimating the package weight, as this could lead to unexpected costs. If you decide to use free shipping, strategically include the shipping cost in the item price to maintain your profit margin. Consider optimizing your packaging size to reduce costs further. Monitor your shipping cost reports in Seller Hub regularly. This will provide you with insights into your shipping expenses and help you adjust your pricing accordingly. Keeping an eye on these reports enables you to avoid unnecessary label reprints, which can incur additional fees. By tracking your shipping expenses consistently, you can identify patterns and areas for improvement. Lastly, leverage local suppliers when possible to help reduce shipping costs. Sourcing materials or items close to your shipping destination can significantly lower your expenses. This approach not only saves money, but may also speed up delivery times for your customers, enhancing their overall experience. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.